Will young people actually put down their phones and stop texting long enough to do this? Not according to Arthur Richard Lew. In his book, The Last Child in the Woods, he notes, kids are so plugged into television and video games and electronic devices that they've lost their connection to the natural world. Kids are out of touch with fields, streams, and woods. He calls this condition nature deficit disorder.
So where does all this leave us? With challenges, to be sure, but also with the knowledge that each of us can avoid being a contributor to an accelerating problem. For example, anyone, everyone can recycle. More and more local communities have made this convenient. Anyone can pick trash up off the ground.
Anyone can volunteer for an increasing number of local activities that help the environment.
And if enough of us do this, we just might become part of the solution, because the situation is not hopeless, not yet.
When it is dark enough, you can still see the stars. Emerson.
Failure is a condiment that gives success its flavor. Truman Capote.
Although the world is full of suffering, it also is full of the overcoming of suffering. Helen Keller.
One thing is certain, nature isn't going anywhere. Nature stays even if we disappear.
Ashes to ashes, dust to dust, Mother Earth ain't going bust.
Read my lips. Nature isn't going anywhere.
A poem by E.E. Cummings. O sweet spontaneous earth, how often have the doting fingers of prurient philosophers pinched and poked thee, as the naughty thumb of science prodded thy beauty? How often has religions taken thee upon their scraggy knees, squeezing and buffeting thee, that thou mightest conceive gods? But true to the incomparable couch of death, thy rhythmic lover, thou answerest them only with spring.
America, America. Nature isn't going anywhere. The question is, are we?
Tick tock, tick tock,
Tick tock, tick
Tick tock, tick tock,
Tick tock,
tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock.
You've been listening to KVIN in Milwaukee, Oregon. This concludes our program. Thank you for listening, and good luck.